If you've ever lost an earring, or someone else in your household has lost an earring down the sink, then you know that looking down in here is not the place to find it. You've got to look down underneath the sink, down in here, to get that earring back. I'll show you how. This is where you are going to find your earring. This curved piece of pipe is called the trap. It's held on by a nut here and a nut there. When you look under your sink, it may not be shiny like this. It might be made of plastic or brass, but it's probably going to be the same way to get it out and find that earring. I'm using this slip nut wrench, got it from the hardware store, to take these off. I've also got a paper towel down here, or you could use rags, because when we take this out, there's water in this section. It's going to come spilling out. I've also got a bucket here. So let's see how we do. And I really just want to loosen them up first. Yep. And once they get a bit loose, you can do it by hand. It's an awful space to work in, it's so tight. But take your time, you don't want to strip out any of these threads. Keep that bucket nearby. You'll see water starting to come out now. Get them both loose at the same time. And then try and get them, I'll move this wrench out of the way. Try and get it to the bucket without spilling it. And when you tip it into that bucket, you want to look out for your earring. You may also find a bunch of gunk in there as well, but that's the price you pay for getting back a pearl or diamond earring. See all that water starting to come out now? It's all getting caught in that paper towel. It doesn't smell too good either, but it's coming off. Okay, this one's off, and then needs a little bit of a wiggle. You don't want to go too rough on it. Just keep wiggling it down. There we go. Tip it into the bucket. And there you find a pearl earring. So when you go to put it back together, the pipes, you're just going to do the reverse. I hope this has been helpful and that you get your earrings back.